unboxing my first watch from WatchGang. There it is. It's a Harbinger. Beautiful. Silver and black. Automatic. Harbinger Marauder. Beautiful watch.
Everything about the presentation has led me to believe that this is gonna be a watch that is really nice. So I don't know. I'm like so nervous and excited. Holy crap. That's nice. That is really nice.
Charles Hutton. Ooh, that case back is pretty. I like that line on there.
The presentation is really nice. It is an automatic watch. It has a nice weight to it, has a nice look to it, has a nice classy, elegant look. It's a more mature, classy look. I like that.
So this is the Earnshaw Meteorite.
Those cufflinks.
Those are cufflinks.
That's very cool.
Stainless steel. There's the Sea Diver. Pretty solid.